Hi you guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhubaneswari and I'm a content creator. So I usually make videos upon beauty, skincare and hair care. Do follow my account and subscribe me on YouTube as well. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will be posting new videos. So with that, let's start with today's video. So today I will be showing you how to shave your face. I have been getting lot of requests and lot of questions about face shaving. But before moving into this video, if you haven't watched my body care routine and pre-shaving routine for your body and your face, then go and kindly watch that one. That will be helpful. So before starting this, go once and check it out as well. I will be providing the link to that video on my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So let's begin with today's video. So I will be removing my makeup first before starting my shaving routine, and you have to do it as well. You have to shave your face on bare face. So I have to clean my face quickly, but before that let me address you something. Shaving doesn't grow thick hairs. You don't get more hair or men like beard hair as well. I have been shaving since 2 years or more, I believe. So I haven't faced any adverse effect as much as I know. Yes, you might get some ingrowth hairs due to shaving, but that's completely fine. So you can always take care of your ingrowth hair by just taking few skincare steps. So you can go and watch my skincare routine and watch my pre-shaving routine. That will help you a lot as well. And these videos are linked as well. So I hope you will be checking it out. Also, if you are someone who is acne prone skin, so don't shave upon your acne because that will leave scars on your face, and scars are the most difficult thing and they take lot of time to fade away. So what I do is I just pull my face like this. I just pull my skin and start shaving. I will be showing all of it in a few minutes. But before that, I wanted to say some things and I have addressed my points. So don't think that shaving will cause any kind of adverse effect. There's nothing like that. And I also just shave my brows, upper chin area, everything I shave. So it doesn't cause any harm, and it has very light chance that you might cut yourself. I have just recently cut myself on the corner of my nose because the blade was very sharp. So but you can take care of yourself and be cautious while doing this. You won't be able to cut yourself. So let me quickly remove my makeup and I will be back to you guys soon. Okay, so I'm done with washing my face. I have washed my face and cleaned it properly. I've used a cleanser, by the way. I haven't removed my lipstick. I will remove it after this because I like to wash my face pre-shaving and also after post-shaving. So the razor that I will be using today is this one. This is from Let's Shave brand, and this is how it looks like. Be sure that you are not purchasing a very rough and very sharp razor for your face because that might harm your skin as well, and it might give a cut. Like the tinkle razor, I know some of the tinkle razors are good, but I think the brand is very inconsistent. So I'm in love with this one. And the other razor brand that I would suggest is the Sanfi brand. You can go and check it out in Nykaa. They are available on Nykaa as well. So what I want to say is, before starting the shaving routine, is you can always go and do a patch test. So you can go and shave your neck area, and or you can do it here in your jawline, so that you will be confirmed that you are not allergic to shaving or any kind of thing. Because if you are too sensitive, I know this works for sensitive skin as well, but things and products react different to different skin. Okay, now don't share your razor with anyone, not even with your family members, and remember not to use the same razor blade for a longer period of time. So now these are use and throw razors, so you can change the blades. You have to throw it. So I just use one razor for like a month or 2 months. It depends upon how often you use. I use it like 3 times, like once in 3 days. So I like to shave my face once in 3 days. I don't shave my entire face once in 3 days. I just go around my lip area. So here I get peach fuzz, lot of peach fuzz. So I go around my upper lips area once in 3 times. Else it's fine for me if I do shaving like for my entire face. I do it once in a week or once in 2 weeks, something like that. So it's not like permanent, or it's not like static. I keep checking on it. Whenever I feel to do so, I just go and do it. So let's begin with the process. Before starting my face, earlier I used to do it on dry skin, and I used to hear those खच खच वाला voice जो है वो तो I used to get dry patches as well. And so I started using this aloe vera gel. This is from Wow Skin Science. You can also use the natural aloe vera or whatever kind of moisturizer you want to. I just feel to use aloe vera because it is more like gliding formula, and it calms down my skin also, because even I have a little bit of sensitive skin. So I'm just taking a little bit will work. You can also take little high, little more product. So I'm applying it everywhere where I need to shave. I'm also applying it to my eyebrows because I will be shaving my eyebrows as well. I haven't shaved my face since a while because I wanted to do this video since a long time. So now let me bring you guys a little closer so that you all can understand what's happening. So how I like to do is, I will pull my skin with one hand like this, and you have to like keep the razor in a slanting position and then just shave it. I hope you all can see the peach fuzz coming out. It not only like removes your hair, but it also removes the dead skin cells. So it's a kind of exfoliation, double exfoliation. If you have any kind of active acne, don't go above it. It will react and it will just cause irritation to that. I will also be shaving my forehead. Now I will be shaving all these extra hairs. I think you can see, these little hairs, and you see, and you get all these little hairs. So see guys, now my skin is all clear and I've removed all my hairs. I will be again going, I will clean my face again and I will be moisturizing it. So that's it for the face shave thing. And if you want any other video, then please let me know. So with this, we are coming to an end of this video. I hope you all liked it and you won't be having any doubts further. But still, if you have any kind of queries, don't forget to leave it on the comment section below. Or you can also DM me your doubts on my Instagram profile. I will be linking my Instagram profile in the description box as well. You can ask me for product recommendation or whatever you want to. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you have some more video ideas, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. So bye bye, stay safe, take care, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.